Make sure the pink tape is completely sealed around the edges.
Looks good. Activating the pump now.
Clear on the left side. Keep it steady.
Holding position. Pressure stabilizing.
Door closing sequence initiated.
Approaching set point. Confirming molecular bond initiation. Pressure holding steady.
The seal is broken. Look at the structural integrity.
Absolutely flawless. The lift is stable.
Bring it down slowly. Maintain pressure on the forward jack.
Reading steady at 0 microns.
Confirmed. Alignment is complete. Lock it down.
Cycle test, sequence alpha.
Engaging hydraulics now. Solid green across the board.
Alignment is green on section 4.
Confirmed. Proceed with final seating.
Actuators engaged. Cycling the elevators now.
Clear movement at 15 degrees. Looking good.
Okay, pushing it in. Hear the click?
Confirmed. Power sequence initiated.
The azimuth alignment is holding steady across the sweep, well within the required parameters. The zenith looks good too.
Moving the massive drone requires precision. The 130-foot wingspan is barely clear.
Look at the harmonics on channel 3.
Yes, they're exceeding the limit. Rerunning the sweep.
The CG is still slightly forward.
By how much?
2 millimeters. Let's add the 50-gram ballast to station 4.
The camera moves slowly through the baffle openings, showcasing the complex internal architecture.
Hangar, this is GCS. We have a solid link. Confirming full gimbal movement.
This detailed view ensures the propulsion system meets our rigorous quality standards, confirming the blades are free of debris.
This small but critical task ensures the drone's safety during the most hazardous phases of flight.
Handover complete. We are now running off the global satellite network. Telemetry looks good.
Systems check complete. All green.
Affirmative. Final latch secured. Ready for rollout.
Roger that. Power sequence initiated.
It is done.
Excellent work. Congratulations to your team.
Thank you. We are very proud.
Tug, hold present course. Clear on the left, 20 feet to the taxi line.
Verification complete.
The aircraft is within the required limits.
Final checklist complete. Power set, ready for roll.
Roger that. Cleared for takeoff.